cinnamon raisin bagel chips, cauliflower, apple, red bell pepper, French toast, Ritz Crackers, toast, rolled gold honey wheat pretzel twists, vanilla wafers, Doritos, chocolate chip cookies, Churro, broccoli, French dip sandwich, cucumber, all natural chips, celery, strawberries, onion ring, Pita, Pretzel, carrot, chicken wings, bread, mozzarella sticks, ripple chips, French fries, tortilla chip.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.